is that? Yo, get the fuck out of here. The lights is out. Go on in, go on in.
I smell fresh meat.
Turn the light on. Fuck, what the fuck is wrong with you? Yo, I know it's you, kid. Shit, go to Anthony. You all right? No, she's sorry. She thought you was Anthony, man.
Yo, did you hear that? Did you hear that? All right, come on, let's go. Shit! Oh, shit! She's dead.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. She's dead, right? She's dead. Oh,
wait a minute.
Oh, shit.
Don't you fucking
Stop!
Stop!
She's still alive, right?
He's still alive.
Oh, shit.
Come on, we gotta call the police.
Oh, shit.
Come on, stop it.
Yeah, guilty, he's fucking guilty. He's fucking guilty, you're motherfuckers. Guilty as your ass is in motherfucking New York. We know what the fuck you wanna tell me what the fuck. Hey, Murphy, where the fuck were you?
Hey, I need more help. I need more help than I thought I'd have.
Need more help for what?
Anthony dropped off almost 3
What the
people.
fuck is this Anthony shit you talk about?
Anthony Taylor's alive, all right?
Anthony Taylor. What the fuck I heard that name for? God damn it. Officer Keisha Riggs, 2 years ago. Shit.
Put more than 6 slugs in him. He got away. Damn near wasted my clip on him. Twice.
Oh.
Anthony Taylor, I'm telling you, he's a bad motherfucker. I need more men to drop him.
Murphy, when the last time you had a fucking vacation? You expect me to fucking believe you shot a motherfucker 6 times with that brand new fucking 9 we just gave your fucking ass and the motherfucker get up and just walk away?
Anthony Taylor. The motherfucker's not a human. Somebody else. Lazy Project's alone. It's a war zone. I've been in and out, down and under, risking my goddamn life for him. People I don't even fucking know.
You keep talking that bullshit, you'll be risking your goddamn
Listen,
job.
fuck you, man!
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Fuck me, y'all!
Yeah!
Fuck me!
Fucking Anthony Taylor! It's a fucking lie!
Yeah!
That's it!
He ain't fucking alive!
Fuck you!
We're gonna lose your fucking job!
Shit. Fuck you, man!
Don't you walk away from me, motherfucker!
Fuck you!
Shit, fucking trap!
Going to kill you all. And tell.
I got something for you to suck on.
Die, bitch.
Then use that fucking shit. The fuck is it?
Baby! Hello? Can you tell him that shit is coming down to the precinct? Thank you.
Did you miss me?
Nelly. Open the door, come on. What? Shut Oh, my last name with the movies? Yeah. I was looking for y'all, so I just left up on my mic.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. She just want to be with her man.
That's right.
Anyway, how was the movie? It was okay. The ending was corny.
The messed up part is that Jada.
Shut up!
Jada
I want to hear it. I want to hear it.
The first 5 minutes.
You make me sick, man. You always.
So what? That's messed up. Jada got killed.
Thank you very much, Nelly.
Come on, bitch.
You don't really care about you. Jennifer got murdered last night.
I don't have time for these games. I'm gonna talk to Tula. When you stop playing games, you come talk to me.
How many times do I gotta tell you? I'm not the fucking killer. Stephanie, don't take the staircase.
It is broad daylight.
Come on, Stephanie, don't take the staircase. Let's take the elevator.
Are you coming or are you just gonna stand there?
Stephanie, get out of the staircase.
Come in.
Kill him.
Alright. Got you.
Yo, this is too open.
Yo, I think this is a setup. Yo, be alert.
Yo, what happened, man? It took y'all a long time to get here, and you did pick a funny place.
Yeah, I know. You got the money?
The stuff?
Don't play games with me, man. You got the money or not.
You know, fucking games, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get to know y'all a little bit better. You know what I'm saying, my brother?
Where your friend at?
Well, he will be here, you know what I'm saying?
And I ain't your brother.
I'm trying to get the stuff.
Take on fucking years, man.
But you know it ain't over till the black nigga sings anything in the blues and holy shoes.
Bishop, take
on booze. Cause every week he sees it in the field on the news. In the alley all the hard heads kick it. Don't permit the suckers cause they rob the motherfuckers. Niggas getting high and high till they drop. So fucked up, they start shooting at the cops. So blaze the flame. They ain't shooting the cops. I'ma run dead in the house. That's the bitch with a shoot. I sell my dope and I ain't ashamed to say it cause I got bills. The motherfuckers won't pay it in the alley. Bitches sell pussy real cheap. Waiting to rob a trick when the fucker falls asleep. Bitches 15 and 16 got the clap. And grabs and they pussy crawl around in the net. Sucked up hoes with toe jams in the toes. Dirty ass clothes with boogers in their nose. Roaming looking for a nigga truck walking around in the days like they don't give a fuck in the alley. And man, look at these motherfuckers.